Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing 3 5 numbers that matter to you. Pick birthdays, milestone ages, or numbers that felt lucky before. Once chosen, categorize each number by use, money, schedules, or choices so you know where to apply it. Make sure to record them in one place, a note, spreadsheet, or habit app. This avoids guessing later. As you start, set one immediate, small action tied to a number, like using 7 for a daily sprint, so the system begins working right away. You now apply numbers deliberately. Map each to a specific behavior such as 7 minutes of focused work or 10% extra savings. Once mapped, integrate them into your calendar and decision rules so they guide choices without overthinking. Make sure to use simple metrics, ratios, percentages, or counts so measurement is clear. Track results for 2 to 4 weeks and record what changed. This gives you evidence of benefit or waste. Then refine numbers based on what actually improves outcomes. You finish by reviewing outcomes and deciding which numbers to keep, adjust, or discard. Make changes based on data, not hope. Once done, convert effective numbers into habits or automated rules. Set reminders, automate transfers, or make rituals so numbers stick. Make sure to commit for at least one habit cycle before judging. If things go wrong or you see no effect, simplify. Reduce to one number, test it for 2 weeks, and troubleshoot whether the issue is application or belief. Then iterate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.